Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Do you know the difference between 에 가다 and 에 있다? At first glance, they both use 에, so many learners mix them up. But actually, one shows movement and the other shows staying. Let's break it down step by step. Here's the simple rule. 에 가다. To go to a place, movement toward. 에 있다. To be at a place, existence, staying there. Think of 에 가다 as going and 에 있다 as being. Let's look at easy examples. 학교에 가요. I go to school. It's about movement. 학교에 있어요. I'm at school. It's about location. See another pair of examples. 집에 가요. I go home. 집에 있어요. I'm at home. Imagine this conversation. Your friend asks, 지금 어디 가요? Where are you going now? Then you answer, 학교에 가요. I'm going to school. Later, 지금 어디 있어요? 학교에 있어요. Another example. 아침에는 회사에 가요. In the morning, I go to work. 오후에는 회사에 있어요. In the afternoon, I'm at work. Many beginners confuse the two. 학교에 있어요. If you meant I'm going to school, then 학교에 가요 is correct. I go to school. 집에 가요. If you meant I'm at home, 집에 있어요 is correct. I'm at home. Remember, 가다 means movement, 있다 means stay. In everyday speech, Koreans sometimes shorten 학교에 가요 to just 학교 가요 and 학교에 있어요 to 학교 있어요. The 에 particle is often dropped when it's obvious from context. But as a learner, practice with 에 first. It makes your Korean clear and correct. Quick review. 에 가다, going, movement toward a place. 에 있다, being, stay or existing at a place. Practice with your daily routine. 아침에 집에 가요. I go home in the morning. 저녁에 집에 있어요. I stay at home in the evening. Try writing one sentence with 에 가다 and one with 에 있다 in the comments.